Chapter 4, Tutorial 2. Open a new file, select model template, enter c04tut2. Invoke the sketch, create sketch. Select the XY plane. Now we are going to make the outer profile. Select circle 2, enter diameter 50, similarly create the other two circles with the diameter 30. Now select the line 2, we have created the outer profile. Now trim the unwanted curves inside. So now we are going to give the geometry constraints. Select equal length, select equal radius, select the left arc, select the right arc and say apply. Similarly, select equal length and select all the lines. Select make symmetry, select the center of the arc, the center of the arc and select the vertical line as the symmetry. Now add the outer circle. Enter diameter 80. Enter diameter 40. Now start giving the dimension. Edit the dimension to 120. finish the sketch. Select extrude, select the sketch, enter 20 in the distance, end point, select Ctrl B, select the sketch. In the View tab, select the Rotate tool. Use the left mouse button to rotate the model. Right click on the graphics window, go to Orient View menu and orient towards trimetric. Save the file. This completes chapter 4 tutorial 2.